Hello my teachers, what's up? I have finally sit down to talk about my 1 year update on hair smoothening, especially thin hair after smoothening. So because I have been receiving so many questions about it and so many of you have been reaching out to me asking me whether they should get it done or not and what's the update on 1 year, and not just one or two people, like so many people have asked me about it, and I thought finally I should make a video about it so that it gets easier for you to understand that what happens after and what all products I'm using and what are the so basically cutting it short, this is what my hair is looking like after showering and after washing. I've washed my hair. This is what it is looking like. It's half wavy, half straightened, and I'll just start with the details. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be a part of the Peach Pack and tap on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload. I'm also super duper active on Instagram, so to connect better with me, follow me on Instagram. My handle is right there on the screen. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like right after taking bath. It has been complete 1 year that I got my smoothening done. I got it done in the month of September and it's September again now. And yeah, this is what it is looking like. If I pull it back, you do see some flyouts in the front. If I don't pull it back and I keep it like this, it still looks better. Okay, so let's look at it this way. It's wavy on top, and the only length that I have left which is straightened is this much. Okay, rest of it is my own hair that has grown out. And what I have realized after getting the smoothening done is that taking care of the hair and putting moisture back after washing, every time after washing, is very, very important. And I will get into the product details and everything, but let me take your questions first. First question that I get: is it safe to get smoothening done for your thin hair? I would say yes, it's absolutely safe and you can go for it. And I just want to say that I might sound like a narcissist or whatever, I don't know, but I want to look beautiful till the time I'm alive. I mean, I might not have hair tomorrow, it might just fall off, all of it. I don't care. I'll start wearing wigs, but then till the time I have this hair, I cannot keep on looking like that crappy person who always had a bun on top and the hair was flying out from the front. That was not a beautiful sight at all, and I clearly do not want to continue that way. So I would again and again go for smoothening, and I am also planning on doing my own smoothening at home. And if at all I plan it in just the next 2-3 months, I'll definitely film the entire thing for you guys, so that if you have thin hair and you don't have too much of density that you have problems straightening your hair at home on your own, then we'll do that experiment as well together. Okay, and second thing that I get asked is that they have very less density of hair, like the volume is less and their scalp shows. I want to start off by saying that you must consult somebody, like even if it's a small salon or whatever, you should go and get a consultation from a hair expert who can check your hair elasticity and then look at the strength of your hair, whether your hair can take chemicals or not. Because hair thinning is kind of, it's a factor that depends. It depends from person to person. My hair has been like this baby thin hair since always. It has not turned thin after smoothening. So my hair has always been baby thin hair, always. So I think for me it was like a normal thing, and I told you in the smoothening video as well, my previous video about smoothening, that they used the chemical on my hair just once. The smoothening cream, the straightening cream, they used it just once on me and not the second time, because my hair is thin and it is soft. So that's what. About less volume on your scalp, again you need to get it checked. I also do not have too much volume. See, if I do like this, the volume is very less, the density is very less. If I part my hair, you won't see like too much hair on my scalp, but yeah, so that's it. So you need to get it checked, because I'm not an expert on this. I just have got it done once. I do not even have the second time experience in this, and because of the lockdown and everything, and because smoothening is so damn expensive, and there is a YouTuber called Mila. I love that woman. Okay, she does her smoothening at home. That's what I got to know while watching her. So she does her smoothening at home, and also L'Oreal is promoting products from the XTENSO care range, which is this golden one. Okay, so they are selling creams on Amazon and all different platforms, where you can buy the neutralizer and the straightening cream and do it at home on your own. So I'll try that and I'll let you know about it. The third question that I get is that whether I have faced too much of hair fall. Listen, a bit of hair fall, yes. A bit more than my natural hair fall, yes. I have faced hair fall issues after smoothening. Please close the door, baby. Yes, I'm okay, baby. I love you. So hair fall is something which is, you'll have to accept the fact that a bit of hair fall will happen. But in my case, because the person did it very gently, I would say, so nothing dramatic or nothing drastic happened with my hair fall and with the volume of my hair. I think losing a bit of hair on an everyday basis and the falling of hair is quite normal. So what happens is that we start focusing on that a lot more after getting something done like a smoothening or a rebonding treatment, because we then start feeling that, oh my god, whether, you know, we start monitoring whether the hair is falling too much or not. So I would say that just accept it, and if you want to get into something like this, then a bit of hair fall will come along. Can't avoid that. Third question that I get is that whether my hair has turned rough or dry, or, you know, basically rough and lifeless. You can see it on your own. The only thing that I can tell you is that I have not got off my hair products that I was using right after smoothening. I have got used to using serums right after taking bath. Serum has become like a must for me because it puts back the moisture, it keeps the hair looking smooth and healthy. So that's what I guess I've covered all the questions now. Yeah, that's what I get. So let's move on to the products. I want to tell you that, you know, I'm going to tell you everything that what I was using right after smoothening, then after a few months, like after 2 months or 3 months, and then what I'm using now. So let's start with what I was using. Okay, so I was using the XTENSO blue one hair mask, shampoo, and the serum. Here it is. Yeah, I have the serum. The shampoo bottle, I did not use the shampoo bottle more than one bottle because that was causing me itchy scalp, so I stopped using that. And while I was using these two, that I have also discussed in the smoothening video, the previous one, that I started using the Wow coconut milk shampoo. I still love it a lot, and I'll tell you how. Okay, so this shampoo puts a lot of moisture back into the hair. It really makes the hair a bit dense, very, very soft, and kind of repairs the hair from all the damage. So whenever I feel that my hair is turning too dry, I use this one. I go back to this. I have bought most of the things with my money. Okay, don't think that I'm getting these things in the PR. I did do a sponsorship with Wow, but this was not in the PR. I bought this with my own money. Then next, while this all was happening, while I was using these products, I received BEAVER Professional products, that is the cherry blossom one and the Marula oil range. So I have the shampoos and conditioners in the bathroom right now. I didn't want to sit here with a lot of products. So BEAVER Professional, I have done a complete review on them, like a full review on both the product ranges, the cherry blossom one and the Marula one, and I have to say that I really enjoyed them because they are safe for chemically treated hair. They are zero SLS shampoos and conditioners, so I was using them, and then I was jumping back to this in between. Marula one was more like the hydrating one, less hydrating than this, but more hydrating than the cherry blossom one. But the cherry blossom one was like an everyday cleanse my scalp properly kind of shampoo. So it was really cleaning my scalp properly, and I was sticking to it whenever I wanted some fluffy and, you know, very silky and airy looking hair. So on those days I was using that, but on the days when I wanted to go back a little bit moisture, I was using the Marula range. And when I wanted to go extreme with the moisture, when I was feeling that my hair is turning too dry, I was using the Wow shampoo. And conditioning was like a must for me. So I was using the regular BEAVER professional conditioners during all this. I also have a WOW mask that I use every now and then, but my favorite, if I say what my favorite is, then if you have to put a lot of moisture back to your hair and if it's turning super dry, then this one, XTENSO blue one, is amazing for that, because it's a super thick hair mask, and I have used almost all of it. I don't know whether you can see it on the screen, but then I recently purchased the golden one, and this is also like quite a hydrating one, but then keeping the hair light and airy kind of thing. So I also really enjoy this one, and this is just another, like, if I have to go more than conditioning, I go to this. Guys, I forgot saying this thing in the video when I was filming, and today I have masked my hair with the golden XTENSO hair mask. What I have noticed with these masks is that they really help in keeping the hair straight, even the natural growth. It keeps it quite manageable and silky. So that is what, and I wanted to come here and tell you that they also help in keeping the straightened hair straight and also keeping the natural hair manageable. So even if you have not got the straightening done, you can try these masks from the managing and straightening your hair a bit point of view. So that's what, every time I've used them, every time after using them, I feel that my hair is feeling a bit more straight. So yeah, that's what. But then serum is a must for me after every wash. If on some days I'm feeling lazy or I'm in a hurry and I am just washing my hair, then I make sure to put serum in my hair, because that is what keeps it manageable, silky, smooth looking, and keeps it hydrated. And on the days when I am using conditioner, I also use the Lemon one. I don't care about that. But on the days when I'm not using conditioner, I use these ones. So that is, you must be thinking that, you know, so many products and all. Listen, just buy whatever works for you. This is like almost like an oil kind of serum, so this is like very thick and hydrating. The shampoo that I'm presently using, I absolutely love the Sunsilk Yellow one still. Since the day I have started using it, I still love it a lot. I still go back to that. But recently I bought this Pantene Advanced Hair Fall Solution Total Damage Care shampoo, and I am enjoying it so much. Like, the combination of these two is amazing. They're matching. So the combination of these two is just amazing for me. This cleanses my hair really well and makes my scalp fresh instantly. And on the other hand, to put the moisture back, I use this. But today I have not used this. I have not masked my hair, but I have put 4 pumps of Marula. They actually call it Marula Miracle Beauty Oil. So I have put this in my hair, and that is what is keeping my hair like soft. And I make sure to flip my hair downwards and then, you know, do the serum this way and then flip it backwards, and then I make sure to apply the serum here as well, because this area gets ignored a lot. So I'm gonna do 2 videos in the future. That is, one is probably smoothening and the other one will be coloring my own hair for the very first time. So I'll do that, and if you'll be interested, you just need to subscribe to me so that you get a notification when I upload videos. And this is what it is. I think I've taken all the queries. I've shared with you what all I have been using till date. Before I close this video, I would say that stick to the SLS free shampoos and conditioners for the first 3-4 months at least. Now that it has been a year, I have bought this because it has been a year now after my smoothening, and the top, like till here, my own hair has grown out. So that's why. And I also gave myself a haircut in between. The length has been cut down by me, and I cut down around like this much of length of my hair. Yeah, I did that at home. I do almost everything at home by myself, getting rid of the upper lips or eyebrows or whatever. So I do everything at home. And in the comments below, if you're interested in watching how I shave my entire face, including my eyebrows, let me know in the comments below. I'll do that as well if you're interested in knowing how to do things yourself in the comfort of your house. So that's what, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope I have answered all the questions that you guys were asking me. Don't be scared, ladies, just go for it. The day we don't have hair, we'll start wearing wigs. Don't be worried about it. Okay, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be my peaches. Till then, keep looking beautiful and have a great day all. Bye bye. Mwah.